Why, oh why, would you buy a plastic backflow device? Dwayne Smith here, your sprinkler warehouse product specialist. Let's talk about these A.R.I. backflows. Sprinkler Warehouse proudly carries A.R.I. backflows. The bodies of these are reinforced nylon, which depending on where you live could solve a lot of issues for you. Why would you want a reinforced nylon backflow? Well, reason number one, it's a theft deterrent. If you live in an area where backflows are getting stolen for their brass, no one's gonna steal this and try to resell it. It has no scrap value. This could save you hundreds and hundreds of dollars in repair bills. Also, this reinforced nylon is non-corrosive and scale resistant. If the water in your area kills brass valves due to corrosion or mineral buildup, then this backflow is a game changer. This has the potential to solve your problem. These are sold all over the world and they have been installed in just about every climate where you'd find an irrigation system, so you know they're built to withstand most extreme weather conditions. The material is UV resistant. These backflows are lead-free, they weigh less, they're cost-effective, and they're easily maintained. If you need to replace a ball valve on one of these, they're easily replaceable. Check this out. 2 screws to remove this collar, slight turn, and easy peasy. We currently have A.R.I. pressure vacuum breakers, double check assemblies, and reduced pressure assemblies right now, and we'll be adding more. So check out our selection of A.R.I. reinforced nylon backflows. Buy them today on sprinklerwarehouse.com.